How's it going, SK? I'm Wyatt.
And I'm Hadley. Welcome to this totally tubular show.
I'm going to pretend I didn't hear that, and for that, you get the first read.
We need your help. Over here behind the scenes, we are putting together a senior video. If you have any videos or pictures from past sporting events, assemblies, clubs, or any day-to-day activities, send them to us ASAP at tinyurl.com/SK22 senior video. The deadline is next Friday. Also, seniors, if you went to South Colby, they would like to invite you back to walk their breezeway and take pictures on June 7th. Contact the South Colby office if you have any questions. If you ordered anything from Jostens last month, go ahead and pick it up in the guidance office. Be sure to have your ID with you. Any new orders placed will be sent directly to your home.
Heads up, juniors. Science testing starts Monday. All juniors will take the test. You will be receiving passes this week, and schedules have been posted in the grade level classroom. Also, juniors, many of you will be swapping out your current Chromebooks for new ones, so make sure to bring your Chromebooks and power cords to science testing so they can be switched out. Let's talk senior prom. Time is running out to nominate your fellow classmates to a prom court. Head off to your grade level classroom and fill out the nomination forms. Prom court will be announced during the Pep Assembly on Friday. Voting for King and Queen will start next week. Prom guest forms are available and must be turned into the main office by June 1st. Guests have to be 20 and under to attend, and the forms have to be perfectly filled out with the right names and signatures, or else it will be invalid. You can pick up prom tickets now in the ASB office or by purchasing one in person or online. Can you believe that?
Imagine having all this on the go. We mention the SK web store all the time here on this show, and surprisingly, many of you don't know how to log in. If you're looking to pay fines, buy items, or get dance tickets, you can do that all online. Let me show you how. First, you want to go to the school website, go to Quick Links, and click on the web store link. Here you'll see a few things. If you have never logged in before, click this link here. This will bring you to the web store support page. Just click on an account activation link. Here's where it may get confusing. On the top, you want to type in your school email, and on the bottom, you actually need to type in your ID card number. Press the search button, and a pop-up should say that you got an email. Follow the instructions in the email, and you should have a login and password. And just like that, you can buy things here online. And with that being said, back to you guys in the studio.
Not only can you buy things on the web store, you can also sign up for activities like spring football. If you're an underclassman and are looking to be on the team next year, sign up for spring football today. The season starts at the end of the month. Track and field will have an award ceremony on June 6th. If you have any questions, please contact Coach Zimmer. Ladies water polo face Lakes for the third time this season in a tiebreaker game to qualify for the playoffs. Unfortunately, the results were not in our favor, with SK losing 3-8. Jacqueline, Hannah, and Jenna each scored a goal in the effort. It was a tough loss for some amazing seniors and a sad way to end a season. Be sure to check out the security office for any lost and found items you may have lost. All unclaimed items will be donated to charity after this Friday.
If you're taking yearbook next year, there is a mandatory meeting after school today in room 202D. Info will be giving about summer activities, class requirements, and anything you need to know about. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Myers. Remember, this week is Spirit Week. Today is Senior Shirt Day to wear anything about with the number 22 on it. Tomorrow is Groutfit Day, so wear your best gray outfit. And Friday is Otter Pop Day, where freshmen wear green for green lime, sophomores wear purple for purple grape, juniors wear blue for blue raspberry, and seniors wear pink for fruit punch. Teachers may also join in as red for red cherry. It might be windy and wet today, but things are looking great for Friday, which will be an assembly day. School will start normally. 6th block will start at 8:37. WTV and 7th block will start at 9:49. 8th block will be at 11:52. And our first real assembly in 2 years will start at 1:04. When we all head out for the assembly, this is where everyone will be sitting. Remember to wear your Autopop color to help make your grade stand out.
In the schedule of events, track and field will be at districts today and tomorrow. And to finish off the club's meeting today are esports, international, poetry, QSA, and speech and debate. Meeting tomorrow will be 3D Wit, Ceramics, DECA, FFA, German, Japanese, and yearbook.
All right, everyone, that should be it.
Almost.
What do you mean almost?
Rosquito's still lost, and a clue was left behind for us.
Where is it?
Right behind us, taped on the wall. It even has the word clue written on it.
Oh. Still near band and choir, this wolf sits. Find him next to awards and Disney trips. Whatever that means, we'll go find him.
Once you do, take a picture with him and tag our Instagram at SKHS Video Production. We'll show the best one here on the show.
That should end it, right?
Yep, I'm Hadley.
And I'm Wyatt. Now play those notes.